Error 104 in Minecraft is an authentication issue that prevents you from joining multiplayer servers or accessing online features. It appears as a failed to authenticate or invalid session message. This error means the game client can't verify your identity with Minecraft servers, now managed by Microsoft. Common causes include expired sessions, which last about 24 hours, network problems, account changes like password resets, or temporary issues on Minecraft servers. Error 104 is not a crash, but a login barrier related to how Minecraft uses Microsoft's Azure services via OAuth 2.0 to verify your account. Fixing Error 104 usually involves refreshing your Minecraft session. First, restart your Minecraft game and launcher. This is the most common and often the quickest solution. Next, check your internet connection to ensure it's stable. If using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily, as it can sometimes interfere with authentication. Also, make sure your Microsoft account information is correct and up to date. Finally, as a last resort, log out of your Microsoft account within the Minecraft launcher and log back in. This forces a new session token and usually resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check official Minecraft support channels for server status updates.